If you want to insert PowerPoint slides into CapCut, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you a super simple method to turn your presentation slides into images and then add them into CapCut in the correct order. This is perfect if you want to make tutorials, presentations, faceless videos, school projects, or any kind of edited video where your PowerPoint slides need to be part of the final edit. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open your presentation in PowerPoint. Make sure your slides are finished and arranged exactly the way you want them to appear in your video. Since we're going to use each slide as an image in CapCut, it's a good idea to quickly review everything before exporting. Next, go to File, then choose Export. This is where you'll convert your slides into image files. When the export options appear, change the file type to JPEG or PNG. Both of these work well, but PNG is usually better if you want a cleaner look and sharper text. JPEG also works if you want smaller file sizes. After selecting the image format, make sure you choose to export all slides. This is important because if you only export one slide, you won't get the full presentation. Exporting all slides will create a separate image for each slide, which you can then bring into CapCut one by one. Once the export is finished, open CapCut and start a new project. If you already have a project open, you can use that too, but for a clean workflow, starting a new project is usually easiest. Now you're ready to bring in your PowerPoint slide images. Click Import and upload the exported slide images from your computer. Depending on how many slides you have, this may take a few seconds. After the files are imported, you should see each slide image available inside CapCut's media panel. Now drag the images into the timeline and arrange them in order. This part matters a lot because your slides need to match the sequence of your presentation. If the order is wrong, just drag the clips left or right until everything is lined up properly. You can also adjust the duration of each slide depending on how long you want it to stay on screen. If needed, you can add transitions, music, voiceovers, zoom effects, or text on top of the slides to make the video more engaging. But the main process is simply exporting your PowerPoint slides as images and importing them into CapCut. That's the easiest way to insert PowerPoint slides into your video editing project. So to quickly recap, open your presentation in PowerPoint, export the slides as JPEG or PNG, choose all slides, open CapCut, import the images, and drag them into the timeline in order. That's it. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more simple step-by-step editing guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.